All right, to calculate the magic box, your problem says a COPD patient is currently on 40% aerosol face mask running at 10 liters per minute, and they want you to calculate the total flow for that patient. So what we need to do is do what's called the magic box. So we're going to draw a box. We're going to put 100 over here and 20 over here. You can use 21 if you want to. I just use 20 because it's a little bit easier math. And then put the FiO2 in the middle, and this patient is on 40%. And then we just subtract 100 minus 40 is 60, and 40 minus 20 is 20. And then we're going to divide the two numbers. We're going to take 60 divided by 20, and you get 3. So we have a 1-to-3 ratio. That means for every liter of oxygen, we need to bleed in 3 liters of air to make 40% oxygen. Then we're going to add the ratio together. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And then we multiply it by our liters per minute. So we're going to take 4 times 10. So this patient has a total flow of 40 liters per minute. Now, I think your other question was asking maybe when you're going from a percentage to maybe a nasal cannula. So let's say our patient is on a 3 liters per minute nasal cannula. What is their FiO2? And for this, you're going to take the 3 liters times 4, which is 12, and then you have to add the 21. So they would be on 33% oxygen. And you can go the other way as well. So let's say our patient is on 40%, we'll just say Venturi mask. And you want to flip him over to a nasal cannula. So we need to find the liter flow that patient would need to be on to get 40%. So for this, we would take 40 divided by 40 minus 21. And that gives you 19. And then you take 19 divided by 4, and that gets you 4.75. So I would put that patient on a 5 liter per minute nasal cannula. I think that was the second part of your question. If there's something else, just let me know. Thanks.